Good morning, guys. Today's market outlook, we are going to cover major forex pairs and including gold. So we are going to start with gold. The first thing you have to do is to check or see or analyze or identify the market direction. And as you can see, we are in 4-hour uptrend from here, and this is all the long movement to the upside. So still I am expecting price to make a pullback, so we scale to 1 hour to find if we can see a internal trend to the upside. And as you can see, there is no 1 hour trend, and you scale to 15-minute time frame, and you can see that the market is making higher high and higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We are expecting price to continue pushing up higher and make higher high, or even we can expect price to fail, make higher high, and then make or give us a change of character to the downside. So right now we can expect two things: price break to the downside, which will be a start of pullback, or price continue this 15-minute trend to the upside. So I'm currently waiting for this to happen on gold, to look for long or short. And GA, as I mentioned yesterday, we can see that the price is in consolidation mode, so we don't trade the consolidation. We wait for price to make establish a trend. So right here I'm waiting for price to make 15-minute change of character, or 5-minute to the downside. If price broke this, I'm going to look for short opportunity, targeting this low here. But if price decide to break up, I will trade 15-minute trend. Like price break this and then give us 1 minute market shift to the downside, then look for short, and if broke to the upside, I'm going to look for 1 minute change of character to the upside, then look for long opportunity. That's what I'm currently waiting on GA, but you can still see that we are in a consolidation mode. The best setup will be price to break this 5-minute change of character to the downside, and then look for short opportunity. That is my perspective on GA and what I'm waiting for. And JP225 still, I gave us, can see now the price gave us 15-minute change of character to the downside, to the upside. So what I am going to do is to mark up our major zone. This is the first two candle that made lower high, higher low, okay, then we scale to 5-minute to look for the major demand area, and you can see this is the first demand area. Okay, and we are going to wait for price to come back to this demand area and then look for long opportunity. And we can see that the price is coming after liquidating this internal liquidity, so this will be a high probability setup if we got 1 minute change of character on this main area or 15-minute zone. Okay, and we will be targeting price to break this 1 hour range. And GBPCAD, still there is a trend to the upside. You can see that this is the last level which have broken. Okay, and this is the last two candles which made the last higher low. Skip to 3 minutes to find the main area. Okay, the main area, this is our main area. So wait for price to come back to this main area and liquidate this internal liquidity, then give us 1 minute change of character on one of these demand or 5-minute zone. Then we are going to look for long opportunity, and that's what I'm waiting now. We can even see price make a sharp move to the upside to liquidate this liquidity here, and then give another sharp move to the upside. That is the scenario which can happen, and I'm currently waiting for, because this is the 15-minute trend. Okay, 15-minute trend. You can expect price to liquidate this 5-minute trend and then give us 1 minute change of character to the upside. Then we are going to look for long opportunity, because this can happen on this demand area. So one of these scenario can happen, and we are going to continue looking for long opportunity. There is no short here. I am not seeing a short here unless we broke this 15-minute zone, or we start to see aggressive pullback like this. That's where we are going to look for long, targeting price to move to this demand area. And last is GU. Yesterday I mentioned we can start to see price make a pullback to the downside, but as you can see, it failed to do it. So right now price broke up high, and we are at the midnight. We didn't take this long, and right now what we are waiting is for price to break this level or even this one, but there is still a high probability that the market can come here and then liquidate this. That give us 5-minute change of character to the downside. Then we are going to look for short, okay, short, targeting price to continue moving down lower, like on this demand area. And we will be trading long entry if we see medium or normal 1 minute pullback like this, not aggressive like this and like this. We see a clear market shift with a large passive and retracement, and then we are going to look for long opportunity. If that not happen in the market, I will not trade along. I will continue to scan for a short opportunity. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, like and share. Ciao ciao. Happy trading day.